In this video, I'm going to teach you about area and circumference of a circle. So if we have a problem like this that says the area of a circle is 4 pi square meters, what is its radius? So the area of the circle is equal to 4 pi, okay? So we need to remember that the area formula for a circle is equal to pi r squared. Area equals pi r squared for a circle. That means 4 pi, which is what this area is going to equal to pi r squared. Well, that gives us a lot of information, and now we can solve for r. So we can divide both sides by pi because we want to try to get r by itself, okay? So divide both sides by pi. These all cancel, and we're left with r squared equals 4. Well, we could take the square root of both of the r squared and 4, and then we're left with r equals 2 because the square root of r squared is r and the square root of 4 is 2. So the radius of the circle is 2 meters. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.